Hey guys, Mr. B, XRP here, and welcome back. Today is November 17th of 2020. And wow, what a day it is, and what a 24 hours we have seen. The market is just lighting up. XRP has been as high as 30.5 cents. I saw at one point. And it looks like Bitcoin is currently at 17,162, which is amazing. So let's look at the market cap, guys. This is huge. Yesterday I was calling for when are we going to see a $500 billion market cap, and we are so close right now. I'm going to do a quick refresh here. We're at $491,667,000 of market cap. So as I said, Bitcoin's at 17,184 on Coin Paprika. Ethereum's at 470. Tether just smoking the charts and hit $1. And XRP is just over 30 cents and holding very well. We're doing good so far. I mean, the question is, can we hold it, and can we exceed? So it looks like XRP is up over 18% on the 7-day. Litecoin's up 25% on the 7-day. Huge. This is great numbers. Listen, I've been here a long time meaning I've been here 3 years or more, and you know, this will either continue and be the bull run. This will be the big one, or it won't. But we don't know until it happens. But all the stars are aligning. Everything's lining up. It feels right. It looks right. The PayPal thing is really a big deal. And now we have a senator that's all over she's on every channel I'm watching. I keep seeing this senator showing up on TV. I'm going to show you some more video of her. She's a looks like a perma-bull for Bitcoin. So it's all a good thing. And on PayPal, I want to make a point. I was watching Scotty over on Love for Crypto this morning. He's got a great channel, guys. You should follow him on YouTube. He's a good guy. And he was talking about that PayPal, just in the United States, is already doing 85% of the volume of Bitcoin transactions that Binance USA is doing. And PayPal's only been handling Bitcoin for a month now. So that's massive, absolutely massive data coming out. All right, so let's look at this. This was from Coining203 at Coining203 on Twitter. It says, 3 years, my people, 3 long years, waiting to see this market action. To all of you that rode this roller coaster, you are a warrior. And those who just got in recently, congratulations. This is the moment of truth for a lot of coins. Generational wealth, be smart with your money. Okay. I love this little GIF. So Coining203 is a friend of mine. We became friends through Twitter, and we've actually met a few times here where we're in the area that we live in. And I will tell you that this guy is the one person I know that has been to the moon in a serious way already. So this guy knows what he's talking about. He's been to the moon. He knows what it feels like. I took a trip last time on the last bull run, but I wasn't invested enough for full moon travel. I mean, I saw a very sizable investment go up over 800%. And then saw it all disappear. So I had my own experience, which was very ugly because I didn't take any profit. So I want you guys to listen to this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to talk to you about cash out plans at the end. And I really, really think you need to listen to me. I don't care what you think you know, what you think you've planned, but you need to hang in there with me and listen to my journey and listen to some of my advice, because I learned the hard way, and if I can help someone, I want to help someone. So hang in there with me, listen to this whole video. I think you might get something out of it. All right, so this was from Barry Silbert on Twitter. For one, we had no clue the price was moving up so quickly. It really was unexplainable. I can explain this time. Interesting. I've had 0 reporters reach out to me over the past month. 0. Nobody cares, which is great. Well, that is changing. Mrs. B XRP on my drive into the office this morning sent me this video. And this lady I played in my video yesterday, she was on a different channel. And today she was on Fox News. So I had posted this on Twitter. Senator is a Bitcoin bull. Credit to Mrs. B for supplying the content this morning. So this is the senator from Wyoming, and let's listen to what she has to say. It's short, 45 seconds.
I'm sure that feels great. What do you plan on doing? What are your top priorities?
Well, it's such an honor to serve Wyoming in the U.S. Senate. I plan to work on several issues, including manage to try to reduce our debt and our deficit. I also plan to explain to my colleagues about Bitcoin. I know there isn't much known about Bitcoin, especially in the Congress. So I want to make sure everybody understands that this is a great store of value. It's something that Americans can use to diversify their assets and to make sure that they have assets that don't have inflation built into them, just the way the US dollar does.
Fantastic, guys. I mean, we're going mainstream. This is big time mainstream stuff. She's all over the news, almost like she's pushing the Bitcoin agenda, the way she's getting out there on all these news programs. Between that and PayPal and all these big investment companies and banks buying into Bitcoin, Bitcoin is going on fire. Now, why do we care, right? As an XRP investor, why do you care? Because it's bringing people to the market. It's a good thing. So we want Bitcoin to be successful. We know the utility of XRP is better. It's a different use case, but it brings people to the space. And I'm telling you, my phone has started blowing up. The texts, the calls, all the people that for 3 years, I got them to buy XRP 3 years ago, and they've been probably angry with me for 3 years. Now suddenly they want to talk about it. Suddenly I'm seemingly smart again. They want to know what's going on. Where is it going? Is it going to move like Bitcoin? So expect these conversations, expect these calls, expect Thanksgiving to be, full of questions and FOMO and all that good stuff. So, you guys need to be ready. Be ready for this because it's coming and it's coming fast. Okay. All right. Moving on. Uphold posted this morning on Twitter. What must-have feature should Uphold implement next? I spoke with JP Thiriot about this when I interviewed him, and I said the vault, the big green vault. I think they should call it the big green vault. What's the vault? Anybody that's on Coinbase, and by the way, Coinbase went down yesterday. It's classic. Whenever there's a bull run, whenever there's hot activity, Coinbase goes down. Total BS, guys. Total BS. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. It's almost like they're the circuit breaker of the crypto market. It makes me crazy. However, they have so many customers. They bring so many people to the table. We're just, we're kind of stuck with them. But they have a vault over there at Coinbase that's very unique. If you've never heard of it, what you do is you can put any asset in it that Coinbase holds. For instance, your XRP, you can stick it in what's called the vault. If you want to remove it out of the vault, it takes 48 hours, and you have to confirm the removal with 2 different email addresses. And you can also lock it down further with a security key, which, guys, I recommend a security key. You can get them from Google. They're called Titan keys, like $35. You can it's like locking down. Nobody can touch your crypto if you had it on Coinbase or anywhere that takes a security key. If they don't have your security key, they have to have your password, your email address, and your security key, and they're not going to have it. So security keys are great. And by the way, Uphold should do security keys too. And I'm going to put that in also when we get off, when I'm done with this video, that they should make security keys a good feature, because it's a great way to lock down your account. And also you can lock down your email addresses, guys, if you're worried about hackers. So security keys are really great. A little tricky to use in the beginning, but once you figure it out, it's really, really cool. Okay, this was from Michael at VAL5 Link. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust now holds more than 500,000 Bitcoin, surpassing 8.3 billion in value. Wow, that's absolutely huge. And I was listening to the Modern Investor this morning, and he had said that anybody that's holding 0.28 BTC Bitcoin is at the top 1% of Bitcoin holders in the world. So literally just over a quarter of a Bitcoin puts you at the top 1%, which is pretty unique, actually, if you think about it. Okay, this was posted yesterday by Charlie Mayo at @1CharlieMayo on Twitter. I don't know where MoneyGram is right now, but son of a gun, it was at $8.20 yesterday. So that is amazing. It was at $1.45 when Ripple did their deal with MoneyGram. So MoneyGram is having a run, a serious run. Okay, another one from Michael at VAL5 Link. Financial incumbents may face a harsh reality soon as commercial real estate crisis has threatened the profits of America's largest banks. I'm telling you guys, I live in a town where there's only about 14,000 residents, but we have 75,000 people that work here every day because we have this really cool little Silicon Valley type of hub and banking hub, and we just have so many businesses in my town. Well, all those businesses are still empty. All those people are still working at home. And I talk to the executives at those companies, and they're telling me they don't think they're coming back to the offices. And all of the restaurants in my town really survive off of these people going to lunch. It's really a sad thing. So commercial real estate is in deep, deep trouble. And I feel bad for people that are invested in it or who own buildings because it's not good. All right, this was from the Crypto Poet, and he had posted this yesterday. Justin, Uber partners with Ripple connected e-banks to accept fast payments in Brazil. So I did a little research. It wasn't hard to do. Ripple is connected with e-banks, so definitely there's a connection there. Fast payments in Brazil. I can't tell you how they're doing it. I can't tell you if they're using XRP. All I can tell you is it's a good thing they're working together. It's a good thing Uber is working with this company, and it can only become a better thing long term. So keep your eyes on this. I'm sure we're going to hear more about it. Michael from VAL also gave me this. He said, the market capitalization of the world's largest cryptocurrency is about to reach an all-time high of 310 billion. Bitcoin is just about 4% away from it. It might have hit it now, actually, because Bitcoin went up in value since he posted this at 6 o'clock this morning. It literally might have done it already because it was right about 17,000, and now it's almost at 17,200. So it could have reached it. This is a reminder, guys, and from XRP 334 on Twitter, look at the speed of XRP, guys, compared to the others. So we know Bitcoin is going to get everybody to come to the party, right? Bitcoin's like having a celebrity at your party. It lures everybody in, but the truth is everybody wants to hang out with Fast Cool Cat, and the Fast Cool Cat is XRP, and XRP moves in 3 seconds. Bitcoin moves in 66 minutes and is much more expensive. So just a reminder why so many people are invested in XRP. And look, it's good to have Bitcoin too if you're invested in Bitcoin. Okay, so I had done this yesterday. I keep doing these things with Fiat Leak, different songs and different things. So this week's enhancement, I took Space Odyssey 2001 Space Odyssey and put it as the music. I'm not going to keep playing it though because they will copyright me. Also, this person at XRPH8T took the one I did last week, which was Missile Command, and she took it to the next level. She actually overlapped Missile Command, and it's pretty cool stuff. So I thought that was cool. I wanted to share it with you, and you can follow her at XRPH8T. All right, so cash out. Okay, I have a cash out video. All right, listen, this is one of the first videos I've ever made. I made it on January 7th. I just started my channel. My audio's not great. I probably was reading at the time because I used to read my videos. I don't do that anymore. I do everything naturally now. So it's not the best video, but I will tell you this. The content in it is true. It's my experience. It's my cash out plan. And I'm telling you, your worst written cash out plan is better than the one you don't have written out, okay? You need to have a cash out plan. Now, 90% of you are thinking right now, I got a cash out plan, right? Because it's in your brain. Guess what? That's not a cash out plan. You need to write it down, exactly what you're going to do and when you're going to do it, because I'm telling you, it will be so hard to sell. Greed is going to take over. You're going to not want to sell. You're not going to do it. You need to make a cash out plan. Watch my cash out plan video. I'm going to attach it to this video at the end. It's going to pop up. I'm going to put it in the link of this video. Watch it. I'm telling you, just see what I'm doing. Your plan will be different because I'm 52 years old. I have different goals than you do, but at least it'll be a guide to you. And I explain to you what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Now, why did I make this cash out plan? Because the last time that the market went nuts, I was sitting on XRP that I bought at 23 cents and it ran to $3.84. Okay. I saw a very nice investment that I made turn into a house on my telephone, didn't take any profits, and watched that house, the value of a house, disappear off my cell phone. That will never happen to me again. Okay. So when you guys see my first sell point, some of you are going to go, oh, that's too little. Oh my God, how could you sell for that? Well, guess what? I'm older than you are. My financial needs are different, and I have different goals than you do. And my bag size might be different than yours. So I might be selling a little bit sooner than you are. I might be selling a little bit later than some of you. My point is, you guys need to make a plan. I'm telling you, most people don't have a plan. I talk to veterans every day that are that are invested in XRP, and they all don't have a plan. They don't have a written plan. And I'm like, what if we do go through another bull run and the utility of XRP still isn't running in 6 months and you lost all the profit from that bull run again? Don't let it happen again. So anyway, take your profits. Don't be afraid to take profits. You know, part of a lot of people's plan too is taxes, right? You have to be prepared for taxes. One of the things that I did, and I wish I had done it sooner, is I did put some XRP in an iTrustCapital IRA, okay? I wish I had done it sooner because I would have put a lot more in there, all right? But I don't have a ton of XRP in my IRA, but I wish I did. I'm going to play this 1-minute video. I want you guys to see how it works so that you might want to do this with XRP, but you can't do it with your existing XRP. You have to fund it with new money, or you'd have to sell your XRP and fund it. But the nice thing is you can grow your XRP tax-free and you could trade tax-free inside the system, inside your IRA.
Did you know that every time you trade cryptocurrency, you are creating a taxable event? Whether it's dollars to Bitcoin or Bitcoin to Litecoin, you are expected to keep a detailed record of every move and report it on your taxes. In addition to complicated tracking, if you make any trades without holding the position for at least 1 year, they're considered short-term capital gains and taxed as ordinary income. So depending on what state you live in, you could be paying up to 50% to the taxman. So is there any way to legally avoid these complicated and painful burdens? Yes. Trading cryptocurrency through an iTrustCapital IRA avoids the need to track each trade and creates no taxable events. Trade 24 hours a day with only a 1% fee. As long as your funds are kept inside of an IRS-compliant iTrustCapital IRA, you will not pay any taxes on your trades. To learn more, visit us at iTrustCapital.com or call us at 866-30-TRUST.
Guys, good company. I did business with them, and if you have a 401k, you can roll it into an IRA if you become unemployed, or you can open up an IRA with them, a Roth IRA or whatever IRA you want to open up with them. They have multiple kinds for as little as $1,000. It's not that expensive. I have a link in the description of this video below. You get 1 month free if you use my link, and call them. They're good people. They'll talk to you. So they talked me through it, by the way. All right, so last thing I want to show you is this young man spends his time making prosthetics for elephants. I can't tell you how amazing this is. I mean, elephants are amazing animals, and to see what this guy is doing to help these elephants is so cool. Look at that. Look at that. And look at the elephant. Like the elephant is like the elephant understands what's going on. Like, they're amazing animals. They really, really are. It's just mind-blowing. Okay, so listen, keep your eyes on the market. Watch my cash out plan. I'm telling you, watch it. Just watch it, because it'll help you develop your own. And if it inspires you to write your own plan, put in my comment section below and tell me it did. Tell me it made a difference for you. Listen to my story that I tell in my cash out plan video and why I did it and the ideas that I have. And you don't have to agree with my plan, but just agree that you should have one, okay? Because greed is a powerful thing, and greed is natural, by the way. Just so you know, your natural reaction when the market starts to go up is going to be greed. It's never going to stop going up, and you're going to get screwed. Okay, your greed is going to get you. So don't let it happen, okay? Looking out for you guys. Not a financial advisor. I'm not an accountant. I'm not an IRA expert, and I'm not a crypto expert. These are my opinions only. Don't make any financial decisions based on anything I say. Please like and subscribe. Man, I had a lot of people subscribe yesterday. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it so much. And if you haven't, this is a great time to do it now. And also, I did prepay today, too, so it's free today to subscribe. Hit the like button if you can. Enjoy your day. Watch the market. Let's hope it keeps going. Let's break $500 billion today. We're like 8 billion away from $500 billion. Let's break it today. Let's make it happen. If we break it today, post something on Twitter, copy me on it. Let's celebrate that. That's a big deal. Everyone have a great day, and I will see you. Bye-bye.